Welcome back, everyone. Look, if you are ready to completely master the world of AI data annotation, you are in exactly the right place today. We're unpacking the ultimate guide to handling complex data outliers on AI platforms. You know, places like Outlier, Appen, and TELUS. So let's just jump right into the Senior Data Strategist RLHF Masterclass.
Okay, let's dive into this immediately. $52.50. That is the target hourly earning potential we're talking about for this kind of work. But here's the thing. Earning those top-tier rates, it absolutely doesn't come from just casually clicking buttons. It comes from knowing exactly how to resolve the incredibly complex logic errors that literally trip up 99% of people.
So here is our roadmap for today's explainer. 1. The costly logic error. 2. Master prompt deconstruction. 3. The ETL mindset. 4. Mastering data integrity. And finally, number 5. Avoiding platform bans.
All right, starting us off with Section 1, the costly logic error. Stop using fluff.
You know, it's a super common trap to think that writing more words somehow means providing better data. But frankly, amateurs rely on fluff. The source material draws a really sharp line here. AI models need strict logic and clear paths. They do not need essays. To succeed at this, your mindset has to shift completely away from word count and move toward high-level strategy.
Now, you might be wondering why this specific approach is so heavily trusted. Well, the strategies we're unpacking today are built on a bedrock of serious professional data engineering. We're talking 5 years managing SQL pipelines, training over 50 large language model instances, and doing daily, hands-on RLHF usage. This isn't guesswork. This is the exact method that keeps accounts perfectly safe and highly profitable.
Moving right along to Section 2, Master Prompt Deconstruction, Building the Path.
Okay, we're going over the shoulder for a second because the secret sauce here is exactly how we break things down. The material outlines a fascinating 3-step formula that literally doubles task success rates. Step 1. Break complex prompts into smaller, isolated parts. Step 2. Use a rigid subject-verb-object structure to keep things incredibly simple. And Step 3, which is honestly such a brilliant pro tip, double-space your logic steps. By forcing this structure, you're giving the model the clear path it desperately wants, which totally prevents it from hallucinating.
Which brings us to Section 3, the ETL mindset. Extract, transform, load.
So in traditional database engineering, ETL is how we move information around. But this masterclass takes that concept and recontextualizes it specifically for RLHF. You extract the core problem, transform the data, and load the response. This is the exact moment you step out of that basic button clicker mentality. You are isolating the complex outlier, transforming how the AI understands it, and then cleanly loading the optimal response.
And listen, finding the edge cases, that is absolutely where the value is. While an everyday worker might look at a complex edge case and just skip it out of laziness or convenience, a senior professional actively hunts for them. Solving those highly complex, confusing prompts is the exact reason these strategists command top-tier rates in the first place.
All right, Section 4, Mastering Data Integrity, your core value. And this brilliantly illustrates our next point. Let's put your consultant hat on for a second and really think about this. System role versus output format. Which conflicting logic constraint do you prioritize? If a prompt gives the AI a specific persona, but then also demands a rigid formatting output that explicitly contradicts that persona, what do? Building the future of intelligence means figuring out how to navigate these really tough conflicts.
So let's test that integrity with a quick quiz straight from the source material. In an RLHF ranking task, Model A follows all instructions perfectly but has a minor factual error. Meanwhile, Model B misses one formatting constraint but is 100% factually accurate. Which do you rank higher? Seriously, I want you to drop your technical reasoning in the comments below this explainer. Actively engaging with this stuff is exactly how you learn.
Okay, moving on to Quiz 2. This is a severe role-task mismatch. Imagine the system role is English literature professor, but the user prompt requires a Python script for a recursive function. How do you handle this to ensure the absolute highest data integrity? Thinking through these highly specific, honestly kind of weird scenarios cements your transition from someone just doing tasks to someone who is architecting AI logic.
Which leads us to our final and absolutely crucial point. Section 5, Avoiding Platform Bans. Protect your career.
There is a devastating and sadly very common cascade of failure that happens on these platforms, and we need to talk about it. Step 1. Laziness and shortcuts. You stop deconstructing prompts and you start using fluff again. Well, that leads directly to Step 2. Low data integrity. Your messy submissions start polluting the AI's training data, which inevitably results in Step 3. Sudden account closure. The platform's quality algorithms flag the logic errors and boom, your account is permanently gone. No warning.
So, where do we go from here? Well, interestingly, the source material points out the absolute next logical step for your professional growth: mastering SQL. Once your RLHF logic is totally solid, learning to query datasets directly is what's going to make handling complex tasks massively faster and so much more accurate. We're going to leave you today with this really powerful quote from the source. Data integrity is your career. Be precise, be professional. It hits hard, right? But honestly, it begs a much bigger question. As these AI models become exponentially smarter, will your current logic skills be enough to train tomorrow's superintelligence? Or will you be left behind by the very algorithms you helped create?